I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make veggie roll easy guide. Prepare short grain sushi rice, rinse and season it lightly, then slice cucumbers, carrots, avocado, and bell pepper into thin matchsticks. Lay a sheet of nori on a bamboo mat, spread rice leaving a 1-inch border, add vegetables across the center, roll tightly while pressing firmly, and slice into 6 clean pieces to serve with soy sauce. Choose fresh seasonal vegetables and consider quick pickles like radish or cucumber for extra tang, then use sesame seeds for crunch. Keep a small bowl of water to wet your fingers so rice won't stick, and slice rolls with a wet sharp knife to get neat pieces. Arrange rolls on a plate, garnish lightly with sesame or scallions, and serve alongside soy sauce and a touch of wasabi for brightness. Quick recommendation: please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. It supports the channel and more recipes. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice Automobile to keep your drive fresh. It's a small, affordable refresh and makes a great little gift or road trip essential. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. To vary flavors, try smoked tofu, marinated mushrooms, or roasted sweet potato as filling options, and swap white rice for brown rice or quinoa for added fiber. Wrap leftover rolls tightly in cling film and refrigerate for up to 24 hours to preserve texture and freshness. When serving to groups, cut rolls into smaller bites for appetizers and label any common allergens so guests can choose safely and enjoy without worry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.